Hello everyone, we have here today the BMW 5 Series 2015 F10 model, and what I want to discuss about today is the electronic service book. So from 2012 BMW has introduced electronic service book, and what this does is basically replace the classic paper service book. So whenever a service, a maintenance is carried out, that has to be registered onto the vehicle and not stamped onto the book as it was previously. In order to do so, what you need to have is an online account with BMW, as we do have, and then we register the maintenance on the BMW server, and once this is done via diagnostic machine, this has to be transferred onto the car memory. So we can see the last two services have been carried out by an independent, hence the 5x0 code. And but other than that, when you click on the service, you can see exactly what operation have been performed. So is no difference than BMW. So even as an independent, we can perform now all those tasks with no problem. Having dealer level equipment, we can undertake any repairs on any BMW, no matter how new it is. So yeah, do give us a call if you have any queries, and thanks for watching.